Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan. I have been a developer for over 20 years. I focus on DevOps and security in the cloud. Today I'll demo how to organize scripts in GitLab pipeline. The video read to Markdown and exercise files are in my GitLab and GitHub. The links are below. Organize scripts means move Linux commands from the pipeline file to B-shell script files. The organize will help us easily maintain the pipeline file and reuse the Linux commands. There are my organized script hands-on demo steps. I use the Common Lab project in my hands-on demo. The Common Lab project has a sub-project Common Entities. Common Entities only includes GTO classes. The classes can be used for other projects. The build process detail is on video. How to publish a Java project to GitLab package registry. The project is in GitLab. I use the main branch in my demo. In the first step, we have to think about where is the best location to store our B-shell scripts. Put all project scripts in one place, or store scripts in the parent project, or save the scripts in the parent project and the sub-project. The store pattern depends on project size. Common Lab is a middle-sized project, so I'll save the common scripts in the parent project, and the sub-project use the scripts in sub-project. If your project is small size, one place store all scripts should be fine. Open my GitLab, select Common Lab project, and switch to the feature 1-10, how to create a Java package registry on GitLab branch. Open the GitLab-ci.yaml file. I highlighted 3 lines of Linux commands. My demo goal is move the 3 lines of Linux commands to the B-shell script files. The line 17 can replace deploy token in Gradle.property files of common entities. If I add more sub-projects in the Common Lab, the command can be reusable. Move it to the Common Lab project is a good idea. I highlighted the second command. The command is used to create a build number for manifest file of common entities. So move it to the Common Entities sub-project. The third command just print replace file content. Back to the main branch. Go to the root folder. To save our time, scripts folder is created in Common Lab project. The folder is used to store B-shell script. I create a B-shell script. Update deploy token. Open the file. Let me zoom out the file to see the detail. Set space -e instructs a shell to exit if a command fails. Add echoes to print start and end information. The hash is used to comment. PWD will show the current path. ls can print current folders files. I run the 2 commands when I debug the script, and after my debug, I comment out them. Next, you see the seed command is used to replace the deploy token. Print change the content var cat command. -n means print file line number. If you have any questions, please post them in comment below. I'll try to answer. The second command is move to the Common Entities sub-project. Let me go to the file location to open it. Open the Common Entities, the same script folder I created. Update jar manifest B-shell. Open the file. I highlighted the second command. Other parts are same as the update deploy token B-shell script file. And then open the GitLab-ci.yaml file. Go down to the deploy job. I highlight 2 commands under the before script part. The 2 commands give the execution permission to the B-shell script files. Next step, call the 2 B-shell scripts in script part. We go through all my changes and then let me test it. Edit the file. Add comments. Commit the file. Use the current branch. Open the CI/CD navigation menu in left side. Open the pipelines. Collect the project. Collect the jobs. Trigger the manual jobs. Let me check the job running detail. Open the jobs. Our organized script process is successfully, so you see the job is successed. My hands-on demo is completed. Today we learned how to organize scripts in GitLab pipeline. If you have any questions, please post them in comment below. I'll try to answer. Thank you and see you in the next video.